Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a Cub Cadet Zero Turn. It's a RZT 50-inch cut. They were mowing their lawn the other day, and their belt just snapped. And I told them, well, before you put another one on, because they're like about $40-some for a belt. I told them, well, make sure all the pulleys are spinning, all the idler pulleys are spinning, and they didn't want to crawl underneath to check it out. So I told them I'd check it out for them. So before we put the new belt on, to make sure all the blade spindles are spinning freely, and all the idler pulleys are spinning freely. Make sure there's nothing froze up on there so you don't ruin the new belt. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we got it jacked up here. Make sure all the blades spin free. Yeah, all the blades are spinning free, but boy, there's sure a lot of grass on this deck. And I found the problem. We got a froze idler pulley on here. I'll show you here. It's this pulley right here. It's locked up. So that's what caused the belt to break. So I gotta dig all this grass out of here. I'm gonna take that idler pulley off. I'm gonna put a new one on there. And we'll go ahead and put that belt on there then. Yeah, I cleaned the deck off. This pulley's froze. So hopefully I have one of them. And I took the covers off the both outside quills. Okay, I got a new idler pulley. That's more like it. Okay, on a lot of decks nowadays, they have the belt pattern printed on the front of the deck, usually on the right hand side. Well, you can see it, but it's right here. And if your deck don't have it on there, the flat idler pulleys, that's what runs on the back of the belt. And the V ones, the inside of the belt runs on it. If you don't have no sticker, you always can look on the internet or whatever to find the belt pattern. Let's try getting this belt on here. Yeah, that belt that came off, it was replaced last year, so that's why I told them we need to check stuff out before you put another new one on. You don't want to break another new one right away. I have to crawl underneath it and put it on the electric PTO clutch. I don't think I can get it from the front here. We'll see. Just take your time when you do it so you put it on there right. Let me try lowering that camera a little bit so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. Kind of got a twist in there. Let me see if I can spin it and get them twists out of there. I can't get that doggone twist out of there. I'm gonna take the doggone belt back off again. Can't get that twist out of there. Okay, I ran it around the rotation one more time and I finally got that twist out of there. You can't have twists in there. That'll ruin the belt and the heartbeat too. They'll get overheated. So now we can put our covers back on. It's always a good idea to keep all that grass and stuff from out of there too. That helps things work properly too. I've seen a clump of grass take a belt off too. We about got her here. Okay, we cleaned the deck. We found the problem. How's this frozen idler pulley? It's always a good thing to try keeping your top of your deck nice and clean from all that grass and stuff like that. And just take your time and go over everything. You see something wrong or see something bent, fix it right away so the problem don't get worse. Anyways, let's back it upside and see if it works. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you can have a good evening now.